Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. I know it's been forever since I did another cooking video last time, but because I was so busy for going to Barbie convention and preparing for convention and other stuff. Anyway, when I was now making cooking video, I got so many comments or messages and like, oh, make more cooking videos and another cooking video please. I was like, dolls, please be patient. I'm finally doing this today, so I hope you guys are gonna be happy with watching this. So today, actually, I'm not making any sweets today, but I'm using eggs today. You know, devil eggs, but today I'm making angel eggs. Well, basically it's devil eggs, but I don't want to call it devil eggs because it's so yummy. Why are we calling that yummy egg devil egg? That's sad. I'm so sorry for eggs, so I want to call this angel egg instead of devil egg. Let's start. So first I need to boil the eggs using my Barbie pink pot. Let's boil the water first. I want to boil like 30 minutes. My angel eggs. Now I have boiled eggs. And look, recently I got Barbie pink knife. With this, I cut it her. These eggs have a lot of yolk, I think. Okay, now I take all these yolks out. These are a lot of eggs. Okay, now this egg white we want to soak in the beet juice from the beet juice part of this. I already put in the cup to soak them. Maybe I'm gonna just add some water. I'm gonna leave this. Now we make the inside. Mayonnaise. And salt and pepper. More mayonnaise. And I always try not to use food coloring that much, but with this one I tried a couple different things, but nothing really worked besides food coloring. I'm sorry. So I'm putting little food coloring here. Right now it's kind of orangish pink. To make it even more Barbie pink, I put a tiny bit of beets powder. Keep this mixture in fridge. Okay, so here I left like more than a couple hours. I think it's ready. And I also got it. Oh my god, this is crazy. My favorite Barbie Jonathan Adler plate. Oh my god. This is crazy. Have you ever seen any more pinkish egg more than this? Never. I wanna absorb extra liquid. Yeah, we should definitely call these cute eggs angel egg, not devil egg. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. How cute. This color, this egg looks like crazy pink, but this color is actually from natural beads color. Okay. I'm gonna whip the egg. Oh my god. These are kind of cute. They're cute. So I'm putting this sprinkle. I know these are sugar, but I'm only putting couple, so you don't really taste them. Cute. And you don't ask me why I'm putting sprinkle on egg. To me, that's a silly question. My pink cooking, it just need to be yummy and cute. There's no rule. I can do whatever I want. Because it's not cooking channel. It's a Barbie lover channel. Red. White. Yay! Look. How cute! How cute they are. Ta-da! Look. So I made Barbie pink angel eggs. That's what I should call these, right? Barbie pink angel eggs, because these are like perfectly Barbie pink. And look, I put little hearts on the top. Okay, let me try one. いただきます。めっちゃ美味しい。This is so good. Yummy. I think it's perfect for Barbie party. Can I have some more? I'm super hungry. It just takes a little time to soak, but it's worth it. So cute and so yummy. I soak in beet juice, which also contains vinegar, but it doesn't really taste vinegar. I think it's because the mayonnaise already has vinegar in it, so that's why I don't really care about the vinegar taste from the egg. This is so good. Can I have one more? One more, just one more, and I'll be done. I promise. 最後の1個。ラスイチ。This is good. This is good. I'm proud of myself. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.